and sisters of Andhra Pradesh, and specifically those who are staying in this Tirupati parliamentary constituency area. I am here to address a press conference to appeal all Andhra Pradesh people to support Bharatiya Janata Party Janasena Alliance, and specifically Tirupati Lok Sabha constituency voters to vote for BJP Janasena candidate Honorable Ratna Prabha Garu. To press button on EVM in front of Kamalam, Tamara, that is lotus. Since last 1.5 years, more than 1.5 years in this state, Rowdy Raj is going on. Uncontrolled Mafia Raj is here in Andhra Pradesh. State-sponsored rowdyism is going on, which is being observed by all people of Andhra Pradesh during Panchayat elections. It was seen. Municipal Council and Municipal Corporation elections, it was seen. BJP Janasena candidates were not allowed to file their nominations. Their nomination papers were snatched and the people were targeted, they were beaten. The state government is functioning like YSRCP party cadre, which is highly objectionable. And that is why through this press conference, I want to make alert the Central Observer who has come for these elections and Central Election Commission that Central Election Commission should take care, categorically see that free and fair elections, impartial elections will be conducted in Tirupati. Who will fight with this Rowdy Raj in this state? There is an opposition party, I can say there was an opposition party named TDP. It doesn't have guts to fight with this Rowdy Raj of YCP. They are all frightened, they are all afraid, they are all threatened, they are sitting in their houses, not coming out of their houses to fight with these rowdies. There is a say in English, he came, he saw and he won. But what happened about Chandrababu Naidu? When he came to Tirupati, he was not allowed to come. He came, he saw and he went back. No protest from TDP. Even his cadre could not protest for his being not allowed to enter. So this is a gone party, this is irrelevant party, and it is absolutely uncalled for to vote for TDP because it is a hopeless party now. Only BJP Janasena Alliance can fight with these rowdy mafias, land mafias, sand mafias, liquor mafias, sandalwood mafias of Sheshachalam, conversion mafias from Kapil Tirtham to Ram Tirtham, attacks on Hindu temples. No culprit has been arrested till date. And this conversion mafia, state-sponsored conversion, who is going to fight with all this? TDP doesn't have guts. Only Bharatiya Janata Party and Janasena Alliance. Tejasvi leader like Pawan Kalyan Garu, the most prominent leader of Andhra Pradesh, Bharatiya Janata Party State President, Somuvir Raju Garu, who is going to complete the dreams of Narendra Modi ji to make this state Bangar Andhra Rashtra, Golden Andhra Pradesh, BJP